Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, oh, sorry. I know 5 minute break is not enough. I'm so sorry. You can just eat while, what's your ulam? Alamang? Is it your favorite ulam, Brian? Oh, really? Sarap yan pag may ketchup.
Ayoko nga.
Kaya ka nga. What sauce do you want to put sa alamang, your alamang?
Nothing.
Nothing, just pure alamang. Wow, you're unique, huh? Because usually people would love to put it like to with soy sauce and calamansi or soy sauce, calamansi and chili. Like you just like as it is. Okay, that's
Para
your
sa akin,
preference.
mas masarap kapag walang sauce.
Mas masarap kasi mas malalasahan mo yung timpla, no? Okay, pure yung timpla. Oo nga naman. Tama nga naman. So okay lang kumain ka nagla-lesson tayo. That's all right. But let's just try to answer and review just like I said a while ago before we say took a break. I said we will review kasi hindi pa natin alam kailan yung fourth exam mo. And I think naubos ko na ang fourth quarter lesson sa DepEd. Kasi medyo nag-advance tayo, remember? We did a lot of advanced learning and I didn't know yet the exact topics that you're learning in school. I just know that you learn about the circle, the prism, the volume, temperature, yan. Pero hindi ako sure if you also learn about the graph. But yeah, but still, we did some advanced learning just in case. Now, can you please try to share your screen? There you go. You can just turn off your camera if you're not comfortable eating while turning on your camera. That's all right. Yan. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm gonna share the Nearpod code. As long as you gonna um talk ha, while ano po, guess how many pictures I have in Optimus Prime in my gallery? 1,500.
Ah,
So dahil nag-off ka ng camera, I need to hear your voice, okay? So yeah, 1,500 tama? Am I right?
no.
Eh, it's not 1,500. Okay, there you go, Ayesha. Oh, you want to fix your character first? Okay, you can do that. Perfect. Okay, let's start. A cube has a volume of 15,625 centimeters squared. What is height?
I don't know.
Which one, when you move, the cube has the same edge, right? Tama ba? Pareha sila ng mga sides, yung length
Mm.
niya, yung width niya, saka yung height niya. They are all different. Now, which among this one, when you multiply, you're gonna get 15,625. So you can use your paper or your whiteboard to check it out. Maybe pwede kang mag-trial and error. Pwede mo ding gawin yon. Since hindi pa naman kayo nagle-learn about the cube root, so magta-trial and error ka dyan. Saan dyan yung, kapag minultiply mo siya 3 times by itself, the answer is um 15,625. Saan dyan yung gusto mo unang itry? Si 27, 24, si 26, o si 25? Yun na.
25.
Si 25, sige. 25 times 25. Or 25 cube. Medyo awkward pala. Ah, sige. Go. Yun na, I'm so sorry. Can I just request you to turn on your camera? I miss your beautiful face pala. Yay! Thank you. Ay, wag ka na mahiya kung kumakain ka. Ilang beses na kita nakita kumain. Yay! Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, eh? Siyempre, mauubos na natin yung tinta ng ating ballpen. Are you using your pen or the whiteboard? Ay, whiteboard. Okay. Kala ko yung ano. Kala ko yung beautiful, ay yung favorite pen mo yung ginagamit mo. Oh, oh, that's amazing. Okay. What is the temperature in degree Fahrenheit if the normal body is 37 degrees Celsius? So let me give you a hint. So sa body temperature natin, hindi ko to na-discuss pala no, hanggang degree Celsius lang. So 37 degrees Celsius yung normal temperature talaga ng isang tao. So in Fahrenheit, 'di ba pag malapit na yan sa 100, medyo mainit na yan. Yung 100 degree Fahrenheit, yan yung boiling point ba? So saan kaya dito sa tingin mo yung normal na temperature? So boiling water 100 degrees Celsius. That's 100 C 100 100 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, that will be 212 Fahrenheit. Yung 100 degrees Celsius 212 Fahrenheit na siya. So what about the 37 degrees Celsius? Can you tell me what would be, do you think your answer would be? Normal temperature in Fahrenheit. It's lower than 100, but not bigger than 99. Sige, pili ka na po. Sabihin mo muna sa akin yung answer mo. 97.6?
97.
Is it 97.6? Okay. It's actually, since hindi ko to na-discuss, it's actually, tandaan mo yan ha, 98.6 sa Fahrenheit. You can click 98.6. Okay, Fahrenheit. Pag degrees Celsius, 37. Okay, find the volume of the rectangular, madali lang to. Rectangular prism with the length of 9, width is 6, and the height is 7. What will be the temperature? For a while. Mm-hmm. Mhm. Ano kaya po? What would that be? Okay, do you have an answer? Very good. So proud of you. Excuse me. Which is the formula when we are looking for or solving for the area of the circle? Area of the circle. Careful ka dito. Kasi yung dalawa dyan, circumference. Isa lang talaga yung circle, yung area sa circle dyan. What would that be, yun na? Just choose na. Paano nga natin kunin yung circumference? Circumference lang muna. Pi times,
5 times diameter.
okay yun, pi d. Pi diameter. Kapag magkadikit yan, ibig sabihin times. Pero kapag radius yung binigay, instead of diameter, ano yung isusulat natin? Pi times, pi times ano? Pag radius ang binigay, hindi diameter. Pi times radius times,
Radius.
sa 1 diameter, ilang radius meron tayo? 1
5 times
diameter.
radius times 2.
Very good. Ayun, pi 2r. So, dayan, dalawa na lang yung papipilian mo. Is it the B or letter C? Okay, click the answer na para maka-move forward na may more questions pa. Oh, pi r squared also means pi times r times r. Okay, a circular garden has a radius of 4. What is the area? Circular garden has a radius of 4. What is the area? You can use your magic whiteboard to solve the problem.
Ikaw yung teacher, di ba? Bakit hindi ka nag-answer?
I'm sorry, is it the right question? Bakit ako po ba yung mag-e-exam? Ako po ba yung magte-take ng test? Ako po ba yung gagraduhan sa school? Right? And we already learned this one. So that's why it's just a review. So a circular garden has a radius of 4 meters. What is the area? So sabi mo kanina, it's pi r squared or pi times radius times radius. Hello? You're done answering? Almost done. Almost done na ba, Yuns? Hello, can you try to speak if you're almost done? Because I cannot see you po. Yuna, are you still there? Hello? Okay, you're still there pa pala. Ayun. Sige. Let's try to continue. A box contains red balls through 12 blue balls, green marbles. Find the experimental probability of getting the green ball. So, we didn't discuss this. Pero ilan yung green ball dito, yun na? Ilan yung green ball?
13.
13. Ilan yung total of marbles pala? Ilan total of marbles? The red balls and the blue balls are the marbles too. So, ilan yung total? I think it's over 40. So, saan dyan yung 13 over 40? Okay. Perfect. Mm-hmm. So, next. Katrina received a Christmas gift in a box shaped like a cube. Its size measure is 6. What is the volume of the box? So, cube siya. Ibig sabihin, all edges are equal.
Mali yung number 7 kanina.
Ano po?
Mali yung 13 over 40.
Mali yung 13 over 40. That's right. Dapat po ay, green. Tama po yun. Mali lang po yung answer sheet po. Katrina received a cube. Its size measure is 6 centimeter. What is the volume of the box? Namali ko lang po nang lagay yung answer key. Okay. What is the constant value of pi? Saan dyan yung pinakamalapit na alam mo? Di ba 3.14 lang yung alam natin? Saan dyan yung may 3.14? Saan banda dyan yung may 3.14?
A.
Okay, that's A. Perfect. Good job. Next. Okay, this one. Hindi din natin ito na-discuss pa, no, yung probability. If a coin tossed 15 times, head appears 3 times. So, find the experimental. It's 3 over 15 or 1/5. There we go. 3 over 15 or 1/5. I'm gonna help you with that because we didn't discuss it and hindi ko nakita yung probability dun sa lessons nyo. Ito po, tama po yan, green marble. Ay, I'm sorry, not getting a green ball pala, sorry. So, not getting the green ball, 15 plus 12, kasi hindi siya green. Ano yung ilang numbers yung marbles na hindi green? May 15 tayo saka 12. So, 15 plus 12 is
28, 27.
27. There you go. You can click the 27 over 40. Sorry, hindi pala mali yung ano ko. Mali lang yung pagkabasa ko. What is the fundamental unit in the length in the MKS system? You still remember what is MKS system? It is the meter kilogram second system. That is it is metric system. Okay, the use says um blank, blank, and blank. Saan yung pinaka mostly ginagamit natin na units so far? Centimeter, kilometer, meter, saan dyan yung mostly? Meter. Okay, you can click meter. It's meter. So MKS means meter, kilogram, second. Okay, yan yung ibig sabihin niyan. MKS. So, hayaan mo siya. Okay, pero meter, kilometer, second. So, sa metric system, usually yung length talaga, fundamental units, meter lang po. Fundamental units kasi lang tinatanong, hindi naman under. Anyway, a bag contains, ato na naman probability. So, three red lollipops, three green lollipops, and three orange lollipops. What is the probability of picking green? Ayan, picking green na. Sure na talaga, my dear. Picking green. Ilan yung green na lollipop? Three. Ilan lahat lollipop meron tayo?
Nine.
Okay, fraction lang po. 3/9. So, nasaan dyan yung 3/9? Picking, green na yan, hindi na not. Okay, may trust issue na. If a rectangle measures 14 meters by 8 by 6, hindi natin ito tatapusin, huwag ka mag-alala, okay? We have 2 minutes left na lang. Ano yun lang natin to. So, what is the volume of rectangular prism? If rectangular measures 14 meters by 8 meters by 6 meters, what is the rectangular prism? So you're just going to multiply. Okay, that's perfect. So I think we don't have much time. to answer this question. So we will just continue to review that one tomorrow. But you did a great job. Over 14, I think meron lang tayo one mistake. So you did a great job here.
Sana yun.
Congratulations. Ah, so I think that will be all for now. May pasok ka na mamaya, no? Am I right? Wala, ano na, tapos na yung long weekend. Tapos sa April 9, ano ulit, holiday ulit yan, wala kayo ulit pasok. So, congratulations. So, thank you
Gusto
so
ko
much, my dear.
umattend, pinapapasok ako ni mama.
That's alright. Huwag ka mag-alala, absent ka naman ng 7, 8, and 9. Wala kang klase sa akin. 7, 8, and 9. So, that's alright. Kasi ata holiday ata yung 9, if I'm not mistaken. Ewan ko lang ha. Pero yung 7 and 8, nakita ko na wala kang klase 7 and 8 sa akin. So anyway, thank you so much, my dear, for your time, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.